Hi everyone, it's Henry Purchase here, founder of SEOSpace, and in this video I'm going to walk you through skipping pages during your site-wide audit. Now there's three reasons that you might need to skip a page during your site-wide audit. First of all, your website has more pages than your plan allows. So for example, on our DIY plan, you can see that you're allowed up to 100 pages in your site-wide audit. So this website that I've got here has 109 pages. So if I was on our DIY plan, I would need to skip 9 pages in order to continue the site-wide audit. The second reason why you might need to skip a page during your site-wide audit is because you have pages on your website that you don't want to show up on Google or just aren't for SEO. Examples of this is a website that I'm working on. And as you can see here, we've got some old pages that we'll soon be replacing. They're still on the website right now. However, I just don't want them to show up on Google because I'll either soon be deleting them or their purpose is just not to rank on Google. Another example is this is on the SEOSpace website. As you can see here, I've got some live webinar pages. These aren't for SEO. These are purely just marketing pages that I'll be driving people to via social media, via email. They're just pages that I don't want to rank on Google. Other pages might include privacy policy pages, thank you pages, etc. The third reason that you might need to skip pages during this step is because there's certain pages on Google that you just can't edit on Squarespace. This includes e-commerce or blog collection pages. You just can't edit these on Squarespace, so checking them for SEO best practices, there really is no point because you can't even edit them. So I recommend that you actually skip them, and you'll even see that SEOSpace automatically skips blog collection pages, as you might see here. So those are the reasons that you might need to skip pages. Now you can just go through and manually select pages that you want to skip from your site-wide audit, but you can also use our new filter tool, which allows you to bulk skip pages all in one go. So for example, if I wanted to skip all the pages on this site that contain old, all I would need to do is press this filter button here, type in old, press enter, and as you can see, it's automatically found all the pages on this website that contain old, i.e. the old pages, and when I click apply, it will automatically skip these from the site-wide audit. If I wanted to do other pages, for example, if I wanted to skip all the pages that have version 2 in, because these are pages that are in progress, again, I could go to this filter tool, type in V2, press enter, and again it will find all the pages that have that in the URL. So there you are, guys. That is our skip pages tool. Once you've selected all the pages that you want to skip, you can just click audit, and SEOSpace will go ahead and audit every page that isn't selected on your Squarespace website, so you can get an SEO score and ultimately learn how to improve your Squarespace SEO. Of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or press this little chat icon in the bottom right hand corner, and one of our expert team will be more than happy to help.